How to enable or disable title animations in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, to enable title animations, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Select the title clip you want to animate, then open the inspector panel on the right side. In the inspector, scroll down to find the various animation settings under properties like position, rotation, and more. Click the diamond icon to start the animation, then drag the playhead to the point where you want to change the animation. DaVinci Resolve will automatically add a new diamond keyframe when a change is applied. Next, if you want to customize the animation, you can use the keyframe editor. Click on the title clip in the timeline, then open the keyframe editor to add or adjust keyframes. This allows you to control exactly how and when the animation plays, giving your title a smooth and professional look. Now, to disable title animations, go back to the inspector panel while the title clip is selected. Simply click the diamond icon again, where you previously enabled the animation to disable it. You can also delete animations by selecting the keyframe and pressing the delete key. This will stop the animation and keep your title static on the screen. Disabling animations is useful if you want a clean, simple look or if the animation doesn't fit your video style. You can always switch back and forth to see which works best for your project. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable title animations in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.